This is Dua Abid from GSL IET Markaz Islamabad. We are here with a new video. So basically we have some vocabulary words for you that you can use to improve your English skills and just like up your vocabulary. So the first word we have is obscure. Now what does that mean? It means something that is not famous or acclaimed. Now how would you use that in a sentence is that you can say that I visited an obscure 2-star hotel to maximize a visitor's stay. That basically means that that hotel was not famous or it did not have a lot of 5 stars.
Okay, so another word that we have is scintillating. Scintillating basically means sparkling or dazzling or something that actually captures your attention. So if I give you the brief meaning, it would be having brief or brilliant points or flashes of light, something that attracts your attention. Let me use it in a sentence for you so it becomes really clear. The audience loved his scintillating wit. We also hear this in cricket commentary all the time. Scintillating performance, exhilarating performance, all of these are synonyms for scintillating.
The third word we have is fickle. Fickle means something that is liable to sudden, unpredictable change. The weather here is notoriously fickle. That basically means that it is uncertain and it can change anytime.
The next word we have is enthralled. This word basically means to capture something through fascination, to capture the attention of someone or something through fascination. There are some synonyms to this word which are charm, captivate, and beguile. Beguile also means to enthrall. Then if we look at the literal meaning of this word, it's filled with wonder and delight. And if I use it in a sentence, it would be, the story has enthralled everyone who read it. It was an enthralling story. That means it was a really captivating story, a really interesting story, a story that was really captivating everyone's attention.
Moving on, the next word we have is ambiguous. Now this means that something that has more than one possible meaning. For example, we were confused by the ambiguous wording of the message. That means that the message was not clear. And then we can have a synonym which is, a little bit of a high vocabulary word, which is equivocal, which basically has the same meaning as ambiguous. Thank you for watching the video. These were 5 vocabulary words that you can use to improve your vocabulary and English efficiency. This was Dua Abid and Ibrahim sir, live from GSL Islamabad, Pakistan. Thank you.